Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Honor 9X. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how the system navigation swipe gestures works. Yes guys, this device does support swipe gestures. So yeah, I'm going to demonstrate how it works. So first of all, we need to enable it. So go into the settings, go to system navigation, and here you will find the gestures. So by default, fresh out of the box, it will be set to 3-key navigation, which is these 3 keys here, the back key, the home key, and also the recent apps task manager key. Okay, so I'm just going to select gestures and you get this little tutorial. So let's go through the tutorial of how it works. So swipe inward from the left edge to go back. Nice. Swipe inward from the right edge to go back. Nice. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. Nice. Swipe up from bottom of the screen and pause to view recent tasks. Congratulations, you've completed the tutorial. Okay, so let's give this a try now. Damn, hope that's not the coronavirus I'm catching. Okay, so let's try this. So swipe in to go back. Swipe in again to go back. Swipe up to go to the home screen. And if you swipe from the bottom left hand corner here to the middle of the display, you will launch the Google Assistant. So let's do that. Hello Google, what time is it? 9:36. Okay, swipe up again to go to the home screen. And let's launch the Play Store. If you swipe from the top left hand corner here, we can launch the Play Store features. So let's do that. And if you swipe up and hold, we can view our recent apps. And if you swipe left and right, you can view them. Okay, so I'm just going to go back into the settings. System navigation. And down here we have navigation dock. Okay, so this is like a little joystick that will be on the screen and you can also use it to navigate. Okay, so you get a little demo of how this works as well. So touch to return to the previous screen, hold and release to return to the home screen, and hold and swipe left or right to view tasks, and touch it to move it around. So let's try that. So this is the little joystick that I'm talking about. Touch it to return to the home screen. You can move it around. So yeah guys, this was just my video showing you all the swipe navigation gestures on the Honor 9X. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, also share the video. If you want to go back to the default settings, just go back into the system navigation and select 3-key navigation to go back to the default settings, which is the back key, the home key, and the recent apps button. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, this little joystick as well, it works with the default home key, back key, and recent apps, as you can see there. So it doesn't just work with the swipe gestures. You can use it with the swipe gestures, or you can use it with the default 3 key navigation. And if you want to turn that off as well, just go into system navigation and just turn it off. Navigation dock, just turn that little toggle switch off. And as you can see, the little joystick has disappeared. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, like I said, share the video. It's your boy, if you enjoyed. Time out. Deuces.